So, I'm Pearl Higgins, and I'm going to put together my punch bowl cake. So I have made a 13 by 9 inch cake, just a yellow or white. I did 2 boxes of instant vanilla pudding. I have 2 cans of crushed pineapple with the juice. I have sliced strawberries with the juice, and I have whipped topping. So we're going to put half the cake in the bottom of the punch bowl, and we're going to crumble it. Just break it all up. Then, love the smell of the cake. Then, let's make sure we got it all crumbled. My girls are wanting to go out here. Got it all crumbled. I'm going to wash my hands. Whoop. Hold on. Okay. Gotta let the girls out. In, out, in, out. Now we're going to take, I'll get a couple of my spatulas. Now we're going to take and put half the pudding on top of the punch, or the cake. Now I made 2 boxes. The recipe calls for 1.5 boxes, but I like it to be, I don't want to skimp. I don't like skimping. So you just spread it around. Probably could put a little bit more. Now we're going to put a jar of the crushed pineapple with its juice right in here. That's all in. Now we're going to put a packet of our strawberries. I defrosted 2. I might not have needed to do, or 3, I'm sorry. I might only have needed to do 1. And it's with their juice again. Yeah, I think 1 would have been enough. Or, 2 for each layer, 1 for each layer. So I'm going to spread this out. And then we're going to add a whipped cream. And you can already see it looking pretty. And trying to get this off. Okay. I'm going to take a spatula and we're going to drop it on here. Just spread it around. Again, I like to use the big one because I don't want the juices coming through the whipped cream. Because we're going to start our next layer. Keep in mind, your punch bowl gets bigger as it gets to the top. So, okay. And then I'm going to put some pecans. Okay, now we're going to crumble the other half of the cake. Okay. Love the smell of this cake. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hand. Okay. Again, I'm messing that up. Hold on, sorry. Okay. So now we're going to put pudding. We might have some pudding left over. But you can see how as you get further up the top of your punch bowl, it takes more and more. That's why I like to use the 2 large boxes of the vanilla pudding. The recipe calls for, and you just cook the pudding according to the directions on the box. Same with the cake. And I think we're going to, we're getting quite full. So just trying to spread this out a little bit. Okay. We've got, I might not put as much of the liquid. Just because getting too close to the top here. So we'll spread some of this out. Because you want your last layer to be the whipped cream. But I want to be able to cover it. So, okay, now the other dog wants out in. Come on. So, let's see. Got a lot of liquid. Kind of sprinkle some of these around. I think that's about all we're going to get to do, because we got to get that whipped cream on the top. This is great for a large crowd of people. That's what we're having, a clam bake today. So, some of the juices I may have to take off. We're going to be spilling this. It's a lot of juice. So maybe next time I will drain some of the juice. So that's it, and then we're going to put some pecans on top, and that's it. We're done. I'll show you what the top looks like. is what the top looks like. Am I getting it? There you go. There you go. So, that's a punch bowl cake. Thank you.